Hello everyone, this is Elena from Rapid Direct, your reliable prototype to mass production company. Here is our display room. Here we go. We produce over 100,000 parts for our customers. High precision CNC machine parts. You can trust us. Plastic injection molded parts. Sure, we can do from the range of 500 to more than 10,000 parts. Sheet metal parts, we are the right person for the job. 3D pretty work, just a piece of a cake. We are a manufacturer, not a third-party plant for. The prices you get from us are the best. Best price, good quality, you got us. Rapid Director, quality parts made easier, faster. Visit us today. This is Elena.